The today's topic is cube root for perfect cubes. So we can see that cube of 1 to 10, cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 6 is 126, cube of 7 is 343, cube of 8 is 512, cube of 9 is 729, and cube of 10 is 1000. So there are some very interesting things in this slide. So we'll see what are those things in the next slide. The cubes of first 9 natural numbers are 1, 8, 7, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 2, 16, 343, 5, 12 and 729. So the cubes ends with 1, 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 9. So the last digit of number and cube add up to 10 for 2, 3, 5, 7 and 8. So for cube of 2 is 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Cube of 3 is 27. So the last digit here is 7 and last digit here is 3. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Then cube of 5 is 125. So this 5 and this 5 add up to 10. Then cube of 7 is 343. So 7 here and the last digit of 343 is 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Then cube of 8 is 512. So the 8 here and the last digit 2. 8 plus 2 is again 10. And the last digit of the number and cube are same for 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. So for 1 the cube is 1. So the last digit of number and cube are the same. Last digit of 4. The cube of 4 is 64. So last digit here is 4. So the last digit is same. Cube of 5 is 125 and the last digit here is 5 and this is also 5. Cube of 6 is 216. So last digit of 216 is 6 and this is also 6. So cube of 9 is 729. So last digit of 729 is 9 and here also we have 9. So this will help us in finding the cube roots. So this we have already seen. If the exact cube ends in 1, its cube root ends in 1. So the last digit is the same in both the cases. If an exact cube ends in 8, its cube root ends in 2. So we see 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. If the exact cube ends in 7, its cube root ends in 3. So 3 plus 7 is 10. If the exact cube ends in 4, its cube root ends in 4. So 4 is equal to 4. If the exact cube ends in 5, its cube root is also ends in 5. Then if the exact cube ends in 6, its cube root also ends in 6. Similarly, if it ends in 3, then the cube root ends in 6. If the cube ends in 2, then the cube roots will have the last digit as 8. And if the cube ends in 9, the last digit of cube root will be 9. So this will be very important in finding the cube roots. So today's finding cube root. So the given number is first arranged in 3-digit groups from right to left. If on the left hand side a single or 2 digit is left, that will also be counted as a group. So number of digits in the cube root will be the same as the number of groups derived from the number. Examples are like 125 will have only one group as 125 and the cube root will be of one digit. 13331 will have two groups as 1 and 331. So hence the cube root should be of two digits. And 1030301 will have three groups. So this is 1 like 301, 030 and 1. Hence the cube root should be of 3 digits. So let us see how we can find the cube root using the method described in the previous slide. So find cube root of 1331. So we divide it into two pairs, 1 and 331. Since there are two pairs, so cube root will be of 2 digits. And since the last digit in 331 is 1, so the unit digit of cube root will be 1. We have already seen in the previous slides, if the cube ends in 1, then the cube root will also end in 1. So unit digit is same when it is 1. So we get the unit digit as 1. Then 1 lies between 2 cube and 1 cube. This is the first pair. So, so the tens digit will be 1 because 1 is the greatest cube less than equal to 1. So the cube root will be 11. Then we see one more example of finding cube root. So find the cube root of 704969. So this will have two pairs, 704 and 969. Since there are two pairs, so the cube root will be of 2 digit. And since the last digit is 9, so unit digit will be 9. When the cube ends in 9, so the unit digit of cube root will also be 9. So we get unit digit as 9. Now 704 lies between 9 cube and 8 cube. So the tens digit will be 8 because 512 is the greatest cube less than 704. So the cube root will be 89. Thank you. Thanks for attending this session.